going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Eamon. This is my 2017 BMW 330i behind me, and in today's video I have a few updates for you guys. And also, since I have a few updates, I figured I'd make a POV driving video because I know a lot of people have been asking for something like that and I haven't done it in the past. There's a reason for that, and it's because this camera that I have right now isn't really the best camera to do something like that, but I finally went ahead and invested in a GoPro so I can finally make videos like that. So why not start today? By the way guys, those updates that I'm talking about does not include that E30 over there. That is unfortunately not my car, it's my neighbor's. It's a really cool car. It's actually a manual as well, and it's white, so it would have been perfect, but he doesn't want to sell it. I already asked. But yeah, rather than just getting into it guys, we'll go for a POV drive. Now I will say, for those who are new here, although this is a 2017 330i, you guys can probably tell this car is not stock. So of course, it being a 330i means it has the B46, but as you guys can tell, it has the 340 B58 exhaust in the back over here. In terms of mods under the hood, we have a few things, nothing too major. So I do plan on doing more with this car, but as of right now, we're pretty much just stage one. So under the hood guys, we just have a BMS intake. We also have a Keys Motorsports charge pipe hidden right over here, and then other than that, we have a boot mod stage one off-the-shelf tune. So definitely nothing crazy, but like I keep on saying guys, we're definitely gonna do a lot more to this car. Maybe big turbo, who knows? But yeah, otherwise guys, in terms of suspension and all that type of stuff, it's still on the stock suspension, still on the original wheels and tires, so this car probably doesn't handle the best. And you guys might be able to tell by the fact that everything is soaked and there's leaves all around. There was a huge storm last night, so the roads are still a little slippery, so probably not the best time to go for an aggressive drive, but we'll still do it. I actually have to go fill up gas in this car, and I usually go to Costco gas just because it is the best price, so I'll just take you guys along with me for that drive. So like I said guys, right now the plan is we'll go for a drive, we'll fill up gas, and then I'll come back to a better spot. I'll tell you guys all the updates about this car, about the channel, because it's definitely some stuff that you guys want to hear, including a giveaway, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video guys. All right guys, so we just switched over to the GoPro. Not sure how well you can hear me, not sure how well this is going to turn out, but hey, we're going to figure it out. Anyways, let's turn on the car. While we're here, if you guys didn't know already, I actually have this car on a multi-map, so it's currently on the stock tune. We're going to switch it over to the stage 1 93. By the way, I have like very little gas right now, which is probably bad, but yeah, hopefully we have enough. We'll figure it out. All right, since we're going to pull onto the highway, the car is a little warmer. It's not super warmed up, so we're not going to give it all the beans. I will say this car definitely has a good amount of torque for it being a 4-cylinder. That stage 1 tune makes a huge difference. Not sure how well you guys can hear the intake or the exhaust in the back, but honestly, I should probably get another camera just with a mic and set it up back there, because this thing sounds really good. For a 4-cylinder that like sounded like nothing before. Yeah guys, honestly, I love driving this car. In the beginning, I wasn't too crazy about it. You know, I liked the fact that it was good on gas, that it was comfortable. It was, you know, my wife liked it, but I wasn't really in love with the car. I wasn't excited to drive it, but after all these mods, it really made a difference. It really made the car come alive. I will still say, like, the car doesn't handle the best yet. It still feels kind of floaty like a normal F30 does. It is a sport line, so I believe the suspension setup is different than just a normal base, but it still feels a little too floaty for me. So hopefully we can get maybe some coilovers, even lowering springs, something just to kind of stiffen up the ride a little bit and make it feel a little more sporty, because as of right now, this is a little too floaty for my taste, but we can easily fix that. By the way, if you guys ever wonder what kind of camera I use, just normally, It's the Sony ZV-E10, which is a really good camera. Not really good for POV stuff, as you guys can tell. Like, just holding this and then trying to film is really bad and not safe. But this GoPro, I literally just have it mounted to my hat, which is amazing, so makes this a lot easier. I know we didn't go crazy right now, but we can go crazier later. Right now, I really need some gas, so I kind of just took you guys along with me for my drive. But if you guys want to see some like cooler POV videos, I'll definitely do that. I can actually even like maybe go to Times Square. I think that would be cool to take the cars down to Times Square. So for those of you who aren't from New York, might be cool to see. I mean, I used to see it all the time when I used to work in the city, but yeah. All right, guys, switching back to the Sony just because I know this audio is going to be good. We just got to Costco gas. The line actually isn't too bad. It's not too crazy, which is nice. So yeah, guys, we're gonna fill up gas, and then hopefully we'll go to a spot where I can better talk to you guys, give you those updates, talk about the giveaway. I have to check the footage and see how well that POV footage came out. I really don't know, because again, this is the first time I'm using the camera. I probably even didn't hit the record button, which would be really stupid. Alright guys, so I just made it here to my favorite spot. If you guys know me, you'll recognize it. I have to also apologize, it is super windy here, so if the audio sucks, sorry, that's just the struggle of today all around. As you guys can see, I have the 330 over here behind me. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I want to give you guys a few updates on this car, as well as the channel in general. So I'll give you guys a few updates on the 330i first, but I will say the updates about the channel have to do with the giveaway, so if you guys want to hear about that, and if you're interested in entering, I would definitely highly recommend sticking to the end of the video to hear about that. But yeah, just really quickly on the 330i. So as you guys know, we got a lot of stuff done on this car. The car is looking way better. I already made a whole video about that, and I actually told you guys that I had to slow down the build because I was spending way too much money, which is still the case, but we are going to be getting back into it soon. So I did already order some more mods for it, and I will be ordering some more next month. So a few things that I'm going to be doing that a lot of people have been asking about is wheels and suspension. As of right now, I already nailed down the wheels that I'm going to be getting. I'm not going to tell you guys the brand, but you can probably guess it. They're pretty common wheels, I would say, for the F30, but I think a lot of you guys will like them and appreciate them. In terms of suspension, we are going to be lowering the car, not too much because as you guys know, this is a daily driver. So currently I'm debating between some H&R Sport Springs or maybe some Bilstein B14 coilovers. So both of those are an option right now. Don't know which one I'm going to go for yet. A couple other things that people have been asking me about is a front lip. We are going to be doing a front lip, and then also the emblem. So ever since installing this M Sport bumper, I have not had a front emblem on it. The reason was because I have the original emblem on the original bumper, but I was planning on getting the painted ones for this new front bumper, but unfortunately the place that I was planning on getting them from stopped selling them. So now I have to figure out where else I can get them from, but I will get them. It does look pretty silly and pretty stupid right now, but we will fix that soon, guys, I promise. Now, the last thing I keep on getting comments about, people telling me I should change it, people ask me when I'm going to change it, is the steering wheel. So now, obviously, guys, this is a base model steering wheel. The M Sport one looks way better. This one looks like kind of old man style, in my opinion. We will eventually do that. However, I am planning on taking another step first, and that's actually doing a custom base model steering wheel. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have an F30 and a lot of you guys have a base model, so rather than going to like an M Sport steering wheel, then getting a custom carbon fiber Alcantara, whatever you want to do with it, maybe you can take just one step instead and go from a base model steering wheel to a custom one, which will make it look a lot cooler, a lot more sporty. And who knows, maybe at that point you won't feel the need to get an M Sport steering wheel. So to show you guys what that's like and to help you make a decision if that's the route that you want to go, we're going to be doing one for this car. Now, I personally will still be doing an M Sport steering wheel after that, but that might not be for a little bit. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the F30 in terms of the popular comments that I've been getting. I still do have a lot of other things that I want to do to the car, but that's just sort of like the common things that people have been commenting about and asking me about. So I figured I'd just quickly address it. But yeah, like I said, again, we still do have a lot of other stuff coming for the car. I do want to do a downpipe. I do potentially want to do a big turbo, which I think would be really cool. Like, we're definitely nowhere near done with this F30. There's still so much more that we can do to it. And honestly, I've been having a blast modding this car, so I'm definitely not going to stop anytime soon. So if you guys like the F30, if you guys like the videos about the F30, don't worry, there's still a lot more to come. Even when I get my M car, we're still going going to be making a whole bunch of videos about this car. But yeah, so with all that said, I want to update you guys on the channel in general. So a few things. So one is going to be the merch store. I know a lot of people have been asking me about it, and I know I've been taking a long time with it. That's because I'm very OCD about it. This is going to be the first thing that I'm actually making that you guys are going to be paying for. So I want to make sure that you're getting something good. Once it goes up, I will definitely let you know. And to anyone who's been asking about it and anyone who wants to support my channel, this will be a great way to do it. You can get some shirts, hoodies, hats. Some of it's going to be just about like my brand and like the whole A logo. And then some of it's going to be some just general funny car stuff. So if you guys don't like my brand or like me, you can still find some shirts that you might just like in general. Or if you want to get a gift for your brother or for your father or something like that, these are going to be shirts that you don't have to know about my channel or know about me, that you can like and enjoy. But yeah, that will definitely be coming soon. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is that giveaway that I keep on talking about. All right, I'm not gonna lie guys, my arm is getting super tired holding this camera, so I'm just gonna set you down really quickly. So for this giveaway, I kept on talking about it guys, 5K. Again, thank you so much anyone who subscribed. So as of the time that I'm uploading this video, we are at 4,900 and I want to say 30 subscribers. So we're about like 70 away. Now, I don't know where I'll be by the time this video actually goes up and how long it'll actually take me to get to 5K, but we are pretty close and we are going to get there soon. So we'll definitely still do the giveaway guys. That's coming up very, very soon. As of right now, the plan is to partner up with Inline 6 Auto, which if you guys know, I partner up with him a lot. There'll be two $100 gift cards. One you can win through Instagram and one you can win through YouTube. You can actually enter both of them if you follow the criteria for each one. So that will give you like double the chances of winning a $100 gift card. So yeah, that's the plan as of right now. Now I will say things might potentially change on how things go, but hopefully it doesn't. But hopefully you guys are excited about that and hopefully you approve of sort of like the route that I'm going with this giveaway. Two gift cards, both $100 each to Inline 6 Auto. I made a whole bunch of videos with mods that he sells, so he definitely has a lot of great stuff. So yeah guys, a lot of exciting stuff coming to the channel, coming for the F30. I'm personally super excited about the giveaway. Hopefully you guys are as well. Again, I want to apologize for all the wind today. I feel like all the audio for today's video is gonna suck, but it is what it is. That's just what it's like sometimes. But yeah, anyways guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.